Hello to everyone, our dear Stockler community. We are meeting today in the north of France at our logistics warehouse situated in Liège to introduce a brand new lot from the seller Grover. Now, Grover, just as a quick reminder, is the leading European company for the rental and the sale of high-tech products. So here we're going to present a batch of scooters in used condition, specifically functional customer returns. These are products that have primarily been rented out. And so now we're going to show you a sample of electric scooters from the Soflo brand, as 100% of this lot is Soflo. So to show you in a bit more detail, every single scooter, as it turns out, is 100% functional, but has some visual defects, some aesthetic flaws. So we will be able to see that the screen turns on fine, but you are going to have a few scratches on the screen. We will be able to see that the indicators work perfectly, the left indicator and right indicator, as you can see for yourselves.
You also have the light that works well. And sure, as you can see, we mainly have defects, really, scratches on the frame and the handlebars. You obviously have all the necessary hardware included with it.
And most of these products are already packed away inside of their original boxes. Here is the first one, the very first product. The second product, which is also a scooter from the brand Soflo, is also completely functional. And as you can see right here, the screen turns on and it works perfectly well. You can see the left turn signal right here is working fine. The right turn signal is working too. The display screen, which is in really great condition. The front and the rear lights are both working perfectly as well. So there we have it. Once again, we mostly just find some small little scratches on the main frame of these electric scooters right over here. The third product. So now we wanted to show you a specific product, particularly with a component that is still in its original packaging. This is to show you a bit of how it is packaged. So it is completely normal if the part is not visible right here because it's actually located over here. So right here, you can see the way the scooters are packaged for shipping. You can see that every single screw, that the handlebars are carefully wrapped in bubble wrap and are very well packed for transport. So there you have it. And we also have a completely functional scooter right here in front of us for you to see. And to wrap things up, here is the fourth sample from this entire batch of electric scooters, where once again, we are discovering a scooter that is completely and totally functional. It powers right up. There is even still the plastic film on the display screen. So as a result, you have... All right, then this part over here is working perfectly fine. And the one on the left is working too. The indicator lights are all in good working condition. There are just a few minor little scratches on the frame. But they are all working, as you can plainly observe. I invite you in any case to download the complete listing of all products from the lot description. You will find in particular the rental times for each product there. And of course, if you have any questions about the products or anything else, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service via chat. Listen, I wish you very good bidding and see you on Stockler.